Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Indian Women in Dubai IWD, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this very, very special occasion, which is the grand launch of our coffee table book. Tonight, it's not just an event. It is a huge milestone for Indian women in Dubai, and not just for IWD, but for every woman whose story deserves to be told. We gather here to celebrate the courage, resilience, creativity, and the power of community. Values that shine brightly in the pages of our coffee table book. This evening is about more than a launch. It is about honoring legacies, cherishing amazing, inspiring journeys, and creating history together. On behalf of Indian Women in Dubai, it gives me immense joy to invite you all to be a part of this special celebration. I know and I can see that everyone is super excited for the launch of such a historic initiative. But in India, whenever we start any new initiative, we always start it with a very auspicious performance. And hence, to bring some color and joy, we have a very special performance by Aditi. It's Ganpati Vandana.
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता भर्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर विशेंदुराची कंठी सखी माल मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव
तेरा ही नाम पुकारूं मैं साथ तेरा बस चाहूं मैं तुम आदि अंत महिमा तेरी हम पर बरसाए रखना मेरी बिगड़ी बनाना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव
तेरा होगा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः तेरा होगा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः
Wonderful. Aditi, how old are you? 15 years. Come on, guys, you can do better. What a wonderful performance. And she has definitely brought in a lot of energy by this beautiful, auspicious dance. Thank you so much, Aditi. And now it's time to meet the woman herself. She definitely needs absolutely no introduction, but just as a formality. We all know that courageous woman in the room who has come up with so many initiatives, and this initiative is her wonderful vision. She's the founder of Indian Women in Dubai, a community that has empowered, connected, and inspired thousands of women to chase their dreams. She's the driving force behind this very coffee table book launch. And she is, ladies and gentlemen, the woman herself, Reema Mahajan.
Can we have a round of applause for our gorgeous MC first? I think whenever I pick up a big event, she's one of the first people I call. The first one is Shikha and the second one is her. And without these two beautiful ladies, none of our events would ever have been possible. Okay, Namaste, good evening, and a very, very warm welcome to all of you. How are you feeling? There is jalebi and gulab jamun coming. Come on, guys. How are we feeling? On behalf of Indian Women in Dubai, it is absolutely my privilege, my honor to welcome you all today. And it's a very special evening. This is the launch of our Women of Wonder Edition 1. I hope, just like IWD Awards, which has become a beautiful celebration every year, I want to do this every year. And for that, I need all your support. Now, this is not just a book. I think it is a journey of telling the stories of women and celebrating them, of something that women dreamed about but faced 1,000 challenges. And this is a capturing of stories of women who still continue to rise, to build, and to shine brightly like they do today. These women of wonder that are all featured in the magazines are very, very special to me. All of them, each of them. Because at IWD, we believe in telling the stories of women to the world. And that is what I'm trying to do through every initiative that we pick up. Our Women of Wonder podcast, our Women of Wonder coffee table books, all our initiatives, because I think there are real stories and real women which need to be told to the world. And that is what we are trying to do through that. Now, a lot of you know about IWD, but I love that we have a lot of new faces in the audience who are coming for the first time. I want to show you what we do at IWD. So we'll just look at what the last year has been like. So, guys, every meetup, every connection, every event that you see is a story of courage, connections and collaborations, and that is what this community is built on. Now I want to tell you the story of how Women of Wonder came into the picture. I had no idea, but somebody sent me those 6 pages and drafted something about me, and that was Sudhir ji from India, who's our partner for this initiative. I really miss him. He couldn't be here, but it's a lot of dedication to him. He drafted those 6 pages and sent it to me, and I liked it. And I was like, why should my story go to the world? I asked Nisha ji. So Nisha ji was the first person I called because I knew she comes from that background. My first connection with her was as an author in the first year of IWD Awards. So that's how long we go back. And I called her and asked her, I have no idea about writing a book. I've never done it before. But will you support me? Will you come forward? Will you tell me how it's done? And I have to say a big thank you to her. She just... Right? Sometimes a little yes matters. A little yes, you know, you need that. She told me, Rima, you do it, I'll be your first person. So that's how the first person of the coffee table book signed up. And I can't thank her enough because had you said no, don't do it, I would have never picked up this initiative. So there you go, the power of saying yes. But today I'm so proud to present the 14 ladies who will be coming up on stage very, very soon. We have artists, we have entrepreneurs, we have doctors, we have people from the education sector, we have the jewelry, we have skincare, we have life coaches. What have I missed? Anything? Great. We have fashion models too, by the way. But guys, the Women of Wonder and Wow podcast are our initiatives to take this story to the world. I want to show you a little video on what we did, the Women of Wonder. So I know all of these ladies individually, but they didn't know each other. And we organized a very little, small meetup for meeting each other for breakfast. And I think that was one of the most beautiful events I've done because the warmth and the feeling of stories, meeting stories, but still being so open-hearted, the energy, the laughter we had that morning, I think it was one of the most special warm mornings, these girls will tell you. So I want to show you some highlights from that. And I also, with that, want to unveil all the gorgeous ladies who are going to come up on stage very, very soon. So enjoy the video. Possible without a few people in this room. I have to thank Her Excellency Laila Rahal. Thank you. Thank you for accepting our invite. Thank you for being here today. Every time I message her, she's always there standing for us. So we call her Indian without the Indian passport. So she'll come and tell you about herself very finally. But thank you to all my ladies. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for your support. This would have never been possible. I have to thank everyone in this for the community who's standing behind us and for all of those who showed up to show support for us. But there are a few partners without whom this event could not have been done. First and foremost, Emirates Hospital. We have Dr. Sabiha here. Thank you for joining us. She's going to come up on stage very, very soon to talk about October is the health month. So we need to start in that direction. So she'll be here on stage very, very soon. I have to say a thank you to Glendale School and Moana. All the running around for the last week or two since we've been coordinating closely for this event. Thank you, Mona, for all the follow-ups, all the calls, all the midnight passions we've done. But it's been in good spirit. I have to say a thank you to Sudhir ji and Namaste India magazine. I couldn't have done it without them. We really, really miss them. I have to say a big thank you to my IWD team. They show up every time and they know who we are. I love you, all of you. My gorgeous Radha, Shikha, Brush, Jasleen, Manish, Preeti here. We can't do, nothing can be done alone and you can't pull off big events alone. I can never do it without these ladies. So I'm so thankful and especially Manish Dalal that has joined us. Okay guys, So this evening is a tribute to all of you. Enjoy the evening. I'm going to invite my favorite dance troupe on stage very, very soon. But the young lady that you saw here is also our in-house talent. She's Aditi. She's actually Garima's daughter. I think everybody knows Garima, but thank you, Aditi, for doing this last minute. I called her 2 days back. I said, I want to do it, an introduction with Bhagwan ki Vandana. Can you do something? And she came up with this. Thank you, Aditi. A big thank you to you. And guys, enjoy the show. Over to Radha.
Wait. Before you leave, let's appreciate this trailblazer woman here. Please bring her out. Can you please have a huge round of applause for this woman?
She deserves a standing ovation. She's done so much. She deserves it.
IWD! IWD! When women support women.
Incredible things happen.
And you are a true testament of this slogan. Thank you so much, Rima, for being such a huge inspiration for all of us in many ways, including me, because I started my journey of MC with Rima. Rima, this wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you. Moving on now. We wouldn't be able to do this show without our partner and sponsor, Emirates Hospital. And can I please invite Dr. Sabiha on stage, please, to say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. Namaste. It's so great to see all of you. And I'm very excited to know that I was not aware of this Indian Women's in Dubai, and I'm so happy to get to know all of you. So, yes, let's start the ball rolling. I'm an obstetrician gynecologist. It's been 27 years since I have been a doctor for my patients in this field. And today I'm here to talk and give you a brief about breast cancer. Okay? Somebody has very wisely said that prevention is the best cure. So is that possible in the journey of breast cancer? Let's look at the nuances. So why does a cancer occur? All our cells are every day dividing, multiplying, and the unhealthy tissue is replaced by the healthy tissue. But there is something that can go wrong in the machinery where the checkpoints are disturbed and a cell continues to divide, becomes a rogue, and outgrows itself, does not recognize that it is time to stop, and that is when it becomes a tumor. So the term breast cancer refers to a malignant tumor that is developed from cells in the breast which become abnormal. This is the look of the breast that can happen. It may be in an early stage, it may be a late stage. That's to be decided later. But if there is a dimple or puckering around the breast tissue, a rash which crusts over but does not heal despite adequate treatment, a discharge from the nipple, the appearance and direction of the nipple change, or a lump which may not be visible or felt are the physical signs that a patient might experience. Having said this, each of this can be a condition which is completely benign and one need not panic. But who gets to decide that? You need to consult your doctor. You cannot take it lying down. There are patients who feel that because they are young, this cannot be happening to them, and they do not come to the doctor. They come much later when the disease has spread beyond control. So if you feel any of these symptoms, then it is time to consult your doctor. So as you can see, it can be limited to the breast tissue and it can spread beyond, and it can go to the brain, bones and the spine. So these are a few stages of breast cancer which are detailed out, but I guess I'm going to skip that part. next one. Okay. So what are the risk factors? The risk factors can vary from one person to the other. One may have a single risk factor but not manifest a breast cancer. Another may have multiple and she might. So there are so many ways to make sure that you are not in that group. So there is a scale which is available and I have put up the slide for it. You all must all look into that and feed in your personal information, know what is your risk score and then reach your doctor with that piece of paper. So the foremost one is weight. Being overweight increases the risk. What do you do about overweight? It's easier said than done, exercise and diet. But when the truth hits hard, research has shown that overweight tilts the balance in favor of not only breast but even other cancers. And apart from cancer, also it impacts your lifestyle diseases like hypertension and diabetes. Next is diet. Same connotation. It takes you to the tilted weight balance. Exercise. When we talk about exercise, we all feel that, okay, I'll go one day, I'll do it next month, but it doesn't work that way. It is a discipline, it is a routine and a ritual that you have to cultivate for yourself, which you should not miss like you don't miss a meal. Alcohol consumption. Cutting down alcohol is one of the most major factors which can save you from these diseases. Next one, please. There are risk factors you cannot control, like you are a female. When we are females, the amount of breast tissue we have is proportionately larger to a male, which is why there are so many cells which can run amok. Not saying that males do not get breast cancer, but the incidence is far smaller and slimmer. Age. As a woman gets older, the risk of breast cancer increases. It peaks at the age of 45. 85% of breast cancers are diagnosed then. It is more common in whites. If the first child is after 30 years of age, again it raises the risk. A family history of breast cancer in a first degree relative like a mother or sister, yes. But if there are a series of cancers down the generations, even that raises the risk. Though it might be a second degree relative like an aunt or a grandma or a niece or a nephew. Radiation therapy to the chest taken in the past also contributes to risks. Next one. The risk factors for men again are quite similar to women, and these we don't need to look into right now. Let's go to the next one. So what do you do? How do you brace yourself for impact? If life was a flat road and we had a drone view of what's happening next, it would be very easy to say so. But it's not so. Because of this, screening tools are in place. Screening tools can be ultrasound or mammogram, which comes secondary to a clinical breast examination after your doctor has seen you. Next one. So, I always tell my patients that you are going to come to your doctor maybe once in 6 months or once in a year, depending on your risk factor. But you are seeing your body day in and day out. So after your periods, while you're in the shower, with a hand which is lubricated, go and feel the breasts all around. Raise up your arms and feel the underarms too. Okay? Lie down and feel your breast. Put your hand on your waist and feel your breasts. By doing this, you are making sure that different muscles are relaxed in these different positions and you are not missing a lump. If you feel the lump, of course you go to the doctor. If you don't feel it, you continue palpation immediately after your periods. If you do not have periods anymore, then fix a day of the month when you are menopausal. First Sunday of every month, make sure that you feel your breasts. Yeah. So the self-awareness, spoken about it. Okay. You begin early at 20. And that comes as a surprise because most women feel that it's after 40 that you need to palpate your breasts. No. We're seeing rising incidence of breast cancer in younger women. So this cannot be missed. Just 10 days back, I had a patient who's in her early 30s. She came for a consult, feeling a bit of a pain. It's turned out to be a grade 2. Next one. Next one. So this is a picture which illustrates, which I've already spoken about as to how you examine your breasts, and these are available on the internet. Pay attention to it and practice feeling the breast. Next one. So the clinical breast examination after 30, at least once a year you should be going to the doctor. If you stratify in the group where you are high risk, you may even need to go once in 6 months. Next one. So what is mammography? Mammography is a very reliable screening tool for finding out if there is a calcification or a tumor. Having said this, there are so many times when your mammogram might read as dense breast, cannot conclude. This is not an error on behalf of the radiologist. This is a limitation with the tool. So if there are dense breasts, one is not able to correctly make out the different layers, and for that you have a 3D mammogram available. Despite that, the breasts in young women and at menopause have more of the glandular and the fibrous tissue rather than the fatty tissue, which is why this diagnosis may become difficult. So it has to be complemented with another modality, which is ultrasound of the breast, which you are very well aware of. Next one. So the other question that I always get is women feel afraid to undergo a mammogram because it's very painful. So do it at the right time in your cycle. Do it with a bent of mind that you're doing this for yourself, which can save you a lot of trouble in the future. Take deep breaths when you're undergoing this, and the presence of an educated, aware and empathetic nurse changes your experience. So it's okay to tell your nurse that, look, I'm afraid, look, just be with me, can you be behind the screen in the same room? If that makes a difference to you, just go ahead and speak your mind. But do not miss the exam. Next one. Yeah. So this is the reason, you see. Look at the average size of the lump found by a woman on self-breast examination. And as we go down, by a clinician, it becomes even a smaller lump that's picked up. By a regular mammogram, even a tiny one. Which is why I am saying, let's track the dot. Next one. The breast ultrasound is indicated for young, pregnant and breastfeeding women. Dense breasts, as I mentioned, limit the sensitivity. So we have the breast ultrasound in parallel with it, which gives you a better conclusion of the findings and imagings. Next. So are you afraid of a biopsy? First of all, not every lump has to be biopsied. Many lumps simply require observation and follow-up. Put it down in your mobile as an alarm, which tells you that after 6 months I'm supposed to revisit and have the examination and the imaging done again. Few will require a biopsy. Again, that should not scare you out, because if the doctor is telling you biopsy, she's saying that because the risk is between 10 to 50% of it turning out to be something nasty. But you would never know if you are going to run away without doing a biopsy. And we've had cases like this, and that's a very sad trajectory that then follows. Next, please. So the Tyrer-Cuzick model, which is available online, is the questionnaire that you fill in for yourself, which is a risk assessment tool. And if you score a less than 15%, then you are at low risk. 20% and higher is high risk. And with this, if you go to your doctor, then you know that you have already cultivated an awareness about your breast tissue and you are taking it seriously. If you don't do the score also, you can of course come to the doctor. Next one. I think we can skip this. Next one please. Next one. Next one. Yeah. So the treatment, as you know, can be a surgery, a chemotherapy, a radiation, or all of the above. Again, that depends on what stage the woman is at and what is the prognosis. So the thumb rule is anybody with low risk, annual ultrasounds and mammograms between 40 to 50. Anybody with risk factors, every single year. With low risk factors, once in 2 years. Lifestyle changes, which means a healthy diet, a regular workout and regular pattern of exercise, and cutting down any carcinogen which commonly is smoking and drinking. So in summary, I would like to tell you that please pay attention to your body. Don't forget to palpate your breasts. Do not postpone your appointments with the doctor. Make sure that you undergo screening. When the screening says inconclusive, don't worry. Leave it to your doctor to interpret what it means and go to a person who's going to listen to you very seriously. That's all, dear.
दुनिया क्यों क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नू मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों सर पे डाले ये दुनिया क्यों क्यों हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नू मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों हाँ दुनिया क्यों कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये अंधेरी कमाल इसे झूमने दे अपनी रीत के कुड़ी नू नचने दे राज लगाने दे घूमके हाँ चमके नचने दे सारे अफ्रीका नू छड्ड के हम के नचने दे नचने दे राज लगाने दे घूमके हाँ चमके नचने दे सारे अफ्रीका नू छड्ड के नचने दे
What a fantastic performance by Garima's dance group. These kids are absolutely incredible. Let's hear it for the kids from Garima's dance group.
Okay.
What a fantastic performance and special appearance by all the parents. It's about journeys, struggles, resilience, and legacies of 14 extraordinary women. Let me introduce you to all of them one by one. And as I call out their name, please can you walk on to the stage? And we have Rima and Leila Rahal waiting for you. So, let's begin the official launch of Coffee Table Book. Mansi Deodhar, Adakari Art Studio. Brushes and colors weave stories untold. Tradition and modernity in harmony bold. From labor camps to galleries, her art heals and shares. Mansi paints the world with passion and care.
Beautiful poetry. I love the color. It's going to my pink October.
Now, put your hands together for Meenakshi Aryar, Dream Catchers. From circuits and codes to soul set free, she turned her pain into healing energy. A dream catcher for minds, a guide through the storm, Meenakshi helps hearts find their truest form. Let's welcome Mohana Kelkar, non-academics, a classroom innovator where children thrive. She begins learning to life, making dreams come alive. With tools, festivals, and methods so new, Mohana reshapes education with a vision true. undone by Inclusive Affairs. A voice for inclusion, fierce and clear. She builds bridges of belonging year after year. With stories, books and causes she defends, Nisha proves inclusion is where progress begins. Put your hands together for Pratibha Tiwari, Prasha Lifestyle. From handmade shoes to treasures redefined, she uplifts artisans and designs aligned. Affordable beauty with empowerment at heart, Pratibha weaves fashion into a social art. Let's welcome Poonam Bhatia, Raji Gemstones. In every gemstone, a story shines, crafted with passion through skills and lines. With ethics and truth is her guiding light. Poonam makes jewels that sparkle with right. Please welcome Dr. Rajul Matkar, Reset, Decades of Healing with Science and Care. A doctor, a mentor with wisdom to share. Wellness and art flow hand in hand. Rajul inspires balance wherever she stands. Come on, let's hear it for all these inspiring ladies here. And now it's time to welcome Ruchi Chandra. With stars and numbers, with energies deep, she guides the lost and awakens the sleep. Astrology, tarot and healing combined, Ruchi lights pathways for spirit and mind. Up next, let's welcome Sarika Nehal Parekh, Niharika Tours. From finance to travel, she chose her heart's call, crafting journeys that touch one and all. With warmth and stories on every mile, Sarika turns travel into memories worthwhile. And now it's time for Shalini Ruba and Am Hair Oil. From a grandmother's wisdom to bottles of gold, she carries traditions both gentle and bold. Natural care with purity as her guide, Shalini brings beauty that's trusted worldwide. Put your hands together for the gorgeous Shikha Agarwal. Runways and resilience. A mother's might. She turned her battles into radiant light. A model, a mentor, a force to admire. Shikha shows us how girl fuels desire. Please welcome Shushmita Dhruva. Colors that dance like rhythm and song, her heritage and art, earth while strong. From Bharatanatyam grace to abstract hue, Shushmita creates worlds both vibrant and true.
Can I bring yours from Saudi?
And now let's welcome Tina Kandar. Tina works lifestyle coaching. From Reiki touch to crystals With wisdom and warmth, she helps hearts restore. Tina guides us gently to wholeness once more. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's give us a huge round of applause for these lovely 40 inspiring ladies on the stage whose journey has touched many hearts and they inspire everyone on day-to-day lives. Thank you so much. So each one of them has a copy of the book. Can we please unveil the book together? Let's go for it, ladies. This is the official launch, Women of Wonder Coffee Table Book by IWD. Magnificent coffee table book with front picture of all these inspiring ladies. Can you please take a lovely group picture with all the inspiring ladies on the stage along with our guest of honor, Laila Rahal.
Okay, wait.
Everyone, please have a close look at this beautiful book which has journeys of 14 inspiring ladies on one platform by IWD. Woo-hoo! Women of Wonder presents to you Coffee Table Book Season 1. Woo! Can I please ask our guest of honor, Laila Rahal, to say a few words?
Say, wow, wow, wow. Namaskar. Salam alaikum. All celebration for all Indian. Today, Woman of Wonder. Give me 2 minutes. Hello. Close your, okay. Show your picture close like this. Thank you so much. First of all, I want to say thank you to Rima, because always she is fascinating me with initiative which come from the heart. And I say to our beautiful MC, many years, she's always presenting the women the way she deserves. And to Sheikha, you are really Sheikha in our language and in your language. Ladies, gentlemen, everyone, kids, beautiful performance. This name, now they carry it 14 women. You are the next. If you are not in this book, don't come next time. Next edition you have to be. It's not about writing about you, it's testimony for unity, humanity, and women empowering other women, and women uplifting other women. This is the mission of all of us. Rima, I've seen her many years fighting and fighting for Indian women in Dubai, and now it's global. Because many women from broad Indian, they are asking me, what is this IWD? What is the Indian doing there? What is, and they're Canadian, American, French. They ask me really because the globalization is Mama India. No. Mama India. IWD. Rimajan. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. As like always I say, it's an honor to carry my name in this book. It's mean to me a lot. It's close to my heart. And always IWD was my heart. Thank you, Rima, always. And I am Indian without passport. Remember this. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you.
We would love for you to sign our first book, so that's what we're going to do.
I will request all the ladies to please. What I'm going to do now is pass on the mic to all of them one by one, and if you could just share how you feel or your journey in 1 minute with our audience. That will be really helpful.
Hello everyone. ओम साईराम। ओम साईराम। तो मेरी जर्नी रीमा के साथ स्टार्ट हुई थी आज से 6 साल पहले 2019 में। और तब हम लोग IWD में, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि IWD में तो हम लोग सिर्फ 3000 मेंबर्स थे। अभी हम लोग कितने 72,000 और जितने ग्रुप से हम लोग शायद 150 100 से भी आगे निकल चुके, 1000 में आगे निकल चुके। तो हमने सच में काउंटिंग बंद कर दी है। और रीमा के बारे में क्या कहूँ, सब लोग जानते हैं, तो मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत है नहीं। बट हाँ, मैं जब पहली जिस इंसान से मिली थी दुबई आके, वो रीमा थी, रीमा अर्पिता। और मेरी जर्नी भी जैसे जैसे IWD आगे बढ़ा, मेरी जर्नी भी वैसे वैसे आगे बढ़ी है। और जब मैं दुबई आई थी मुझे कोई नहीं जानता था। अब मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ सब लोग कहते हैं रुचि जी एक सेल्फी प्लीज़। तो ये बहुत है बताने के लिए कि कैसे मैंने IWD के साथ ग्रो किया और आज ये मेरे हाथ में है। तो थैंक यू सो मच रीमा, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Thank you, Ruchi ji. Can you please step forward?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Rima. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.
Hello. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Rima for giving us this opportunity. It's really like a celebrity feeling today to be featured in this book, and it's the first edition. I'm really feeling, I don't know, एकदम हवा में उड़ रही हूँ मैं. So first, when I joined IWD, I'll tell my story in short. I was in finance department. I was having a job, and I just attended one of the entrepreneurs meeting, and मुझे कुछ मालूम नहीं सब क्या कर रहे हैं, but I was very much impressed with all the women entrepreneurs that doing something. और फिर उससे मुझे inspiration मिला, and I decided to start my travel company, और आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. Thank you so much, and thanks to all my friends who are here to support me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can you please step forward? Guys, I want some more energy. When she comes forward, can you please give them a huge round of applause?
Hi, good evening. 1 minute is definitely not enough for me to thank Rima ji. So what I am today is only because of Rima ji and IWD. And to be very honest, it's all I started about with 0 clients, and now we have crossed 13,000 clients. And the best part is it's all with and only with IWD ladies. And now we have also started our units, and also we have crossed across all over the globe right now. And it is only through IWD. And thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, good evening all. Seeing familiar faces after a year is like, homecoming for me. Thank you, Rima, for making this happen. And Miss Laila, seeing you after a year makes me happy too. And my journey is nothing special because every woman here has always had a dream of becoming somebody of their own. So for me, art was something that pushed me to where I am today. And from a depression person to a happy person, art has given me everything. So I think this is an inspiration which has to come from your own self. Do motivate everyone and make every life a happy life. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Tina, and I think I will say just 2 lines that came in when the kids were dancing, which was like, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है. So yeah, and ये नाव चलाने वाली इंजन का पूरा मीटर रीमा मैडम के पास है. So and I was just going through the pages. It's like the last time I had written about myself was in school. Write 5 lines about yourself. And here there are like 500 lines. And I'm like, "Acha, ye main?" Yes, that means it's been a journey. I have taken a journey for myself. I have taken a journey because I have a backbone of strong women. My mom, who was a homekeeper, And I think if you're a homekeeper, you have to give a standing applause to yourself because that is the first woman of Mandap. The rest, everything comes secondary. So thank you, Reema, for this. Thank you for this beautiful day. And thank you to my entire family, my mom and dad sitting up there. My mom used to say, एक दिन ना तेरा फोटो आएगा, किसी में तो आएगा. मम्मी आ गया फोटो मम्मी. So thank you so much for today.
Thank you very much. So I want to say something about being so much older and not knowing that this journey is going to take me to a place where I will find myself in a book. And actually, I took this step forward only because Reema actually pushed me towards a dream that I had. I made my company Reset this late because actually she said that you need to get out there and do something if you really want to do it. And she was pushing me. So though, I can't thank you enough for that, for giving me that push from behind. Because though I am out there, though I do so many things, I too required that push. And thank you for that, really. So coming into the book is just a step forward from there, where I thought, okay, let me do this, because she said, of course, sabko padna chahiye, jo aapki journey hai. So I wish you will all read my journey. That is my wish, that you will read, everybody will read this. And just to say one more thing, Reema, something happened yesterday. I am part of so many groups, right? I was yesterday thrown out of one group just because I was more leaning towards IWD. I was told that, and I'm happy for that. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, namaste and good evening. Those who know me, they know me, I wouldn't speak a word a year back. I was very, very shy person. And today, when I'm speaking towards you all audience and holding this book, this is all because of Reema. She knows my journey and she has really transformed me. I can say it is a rebirth for me after I joined IWD. When I joined IWD a year back, when I looked at the women there, somebody is doing podcasts, somebody is doing exhibitions, they are launching their products. I was like, how can this all they do? And I even shared with my daughters, these women are incredible, they are doing multiple things. And today, I'm proud to say I'm one of them, I'm doing multiple things. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Pratibha Tiwari. अच्छा मेरा नाम प्राशा है प्रतिभा तिवारी भूल जाओ ओके मैं रीमा को बहुत टाइम से जानती हूँ शायद IWD तब स्टार्ट ही हुआ था मतलब मैं कुछ और करती थी फैशन से पहले जब मैंने फैशन स्टार्ट किया था I did an exhibition and she was my first customer so रीमा खुद सेलिब्रिटी बन गई है और वो सारे जो उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं या उनकी कम्युनिटी में है उनको भी सेलिब्रिटी बना देती है लव इन दुबई कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट रीमा वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ यू और जब मैं रीमा को देखती हूँ कहीं पे ऐसे मैगजीन्स में न्यूज़पेपर्स में लव इन दुबई में तो मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि यार हमें भी जाना चाहिए शी इज़ सच एन इंस्पिरेशन दिस बुक इज़ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल कहीं मतलब फिजिकल कॉपी है इसकी डिजिटल में हम बहुत बार आए हैं फिजिकल कॉपी में मैं पहली बार आई हूँ और आई ड्यू टू हर आई हैव बीन टू लास्ट ईयर दिवाली लव इन दिवाली इवेंट एंड या करेक्ट आई डिड एन इंटरव्यू और वो इंस्टाग्राम पे भी है तो आपकी वजह से मैं बहुत सारे अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म्स में आई हूँ जिसको मैंने यूज़ किया है टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक तो थैंक यू सो मच थैंक्स इट्स अ वंडरफुल कम्युनिटी यू मस्ट एंजॉय इट यू मस्ट टेक इंस्पिरेशन आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे थैंक यू
Hi everyone, this is Nisha and my association with Reema जितना बोलूँ कम है It happened because of my daughter Anushka, who is sitting there. And Rima saw her perform on a stage. She was doing a ramp walk 5 years back, and she came and asked me, next Friday is my event, next Sunday is my event, can she walk? I said yes. And since then I have been associated. Rima, thank you so much. And it might sound cliche, but बोलते हैं इंडिया में मोदी है तो मुमकिन है, हम दुबई में बोलते हैं रीमा है तो मुमकिन है. I've said it, I think I've said it on every platform, and actually it is possible. I'm a published author, writer, I have written books, poetry, bilingual, but I'll tell you this book is special. This is very, very special. Rima, thank you for doing this for all of us, and on behalf of the women community, I say Rima rocks.
Hello and good evening, everyone. It's actually right now just I'm kind of processing everything. I'm kind of, still it is sinking into me that it's really happened. But today I would like to take the honor of saying that my parents are right here in the audience. Why are you standing up and clapping? Nothing can be fulfilling for a child if there is always a child in us. And your parents, when they are sitting here and being witness to it, nothing else really we want at this age especially. My husband, my children, my girls, my friends, and my son-in-laws, all of them have been very, very inspirational in my life. Of course, Rima ji, what to say about her? I mean, all of this has been possible only because of her. Ma'am Laila, I have been witnessing her, and she is all over on the Instagram and everywhere. You can see how much work she does. When I first spoke to Rima about the story, and I thought that, it's like anybody else can have a story. It's like that. But when I told the story to her, she said that, this story, you don't know who will get inspired by it. So the smallest of the stories are meant to be told. And I think through these books, we should be able to get these stories out in the world. Thank you very much. And I'm very, very happy that we are a part of the season 1.
Again, 2 minutes. It's very difficult for me. Hello. First of all, thank you so much, Rima. I'm really grateful. For me, manifestation works again. क्योंकि विजन बोर्ड में मैंने ये भी लिखा था कि कभी तो मैं कोई बुक में आऊँ, एंड इट वर्क्स, एंड रियली थैंक्स टू यू, क्योंकि इतना करेज नहीं था. जब मैं लिखने लगी तब पता चला कि इतना कुछ हो गया है पीछे. इसलिए हम भूल जाते हैं कि अब जब मैं अभी सॉरी हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमने लाइफ में क्या क्या किया है, और हम अब प्रेजेंट में जीते हैं कि हाँ आज ये चल रहा है. बट जब मैं लिखने लगी तब मुझे पता चला कि इतनी सारी चीज़ें पीछे हो चुकी है. एंड रियली थैंक्स टू यू कि मुझे पता चला कि मेरे लाइफ में क्या क्या हुआ है. थैंक्स टू यू रीमा, थैंक्स सो मच.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Meenakshi. When women we think of ourselves, we always want to go an extra step, and we want to prove ourselves, to show the world that we can do it, right? So we come up with a lot of self-doubt. So the first time when Nisha ji and Rima ji told me, why don't you become a part of this? I told them, who would want to know my journey, and how is it going to help anybody? And that's when I realized that even if one life can get impacted and inspire, that is where it is. So I would request all of you to please become a part of this book. Absolutely grateful. And Rima, you absolutely rock. Definitely believe in the mantra that women support women. What happens? Incredible things happen. Thank you.
Good evening to my IWD family. एक सच बताऊं, मैं इतनी नर्वस थी जितने मैं अपने IWD अवार्ड सीजन 1 के लिए थी. I was shivering that we should rock, and we have rocked it. So congratulations, Reema. This is our season 1. We will have season 2, 3, 4. And you know, this is something very, very special to me. I don't need to say, but still I want to say I love you, Reema. Reema is busy, it's okay. इस बुक में जो भी लिखा है ना, वो रीमा ने मेरे बारे में लिखा है. रीमा ने मुझे कहा कि शिखा तू कुछ अपने बारे में लिख के बता. मैं कहा यार तुझे मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा पता है. So Reema wrote about me. Thank you so much. I am overwhelmed. I love my IWD family. We have grown from season 1 till season 4. This is, you know, शायद 4 साल पहले कौन शिखा थी, no one knew. So thanks to my Reema, thanks to Radha, thanks to Leila ma'am. आपने season 1 से हमें support करा. Without your support, you know, we can't do anything. When we say women support women, so Reema is there to help us. So thank you so much to my IWD family for helping us, loving us, and for the women empowerment. Thank you so much. Love you guys. And a very, very special thanks to my Radha, जिसके बिना हम कोई इवेंट नहीं कर सकते. The sweetest, hottest, and the loveliest MC in Dubai. Thank you so much, Radha.
So, I want to say I have the privilege to be here, like you see. So that proves I am Indian without passport. I've seen Reema Mahajan working hard day by day, and for all the season I was there from the first till now. And I have that privilege, and I say thank you, Reema. There is no jealousy. I do the same. I'm empowering the women, she's empowering the women. We are collaborating, not competing. But I see IWD 50K, 60K, 80K. Today you are 150K. See how grow? So today is 14. If next edition not 140, that means you are not IWD. All of you register now. Take your slot before the book is full. Don't go from here, catch Reema and register. Really. And I'm so happy. Can I ask you all to stand? Reema, you're beautiful. You're gorgeous. You're fantastic. You're amazing. You are the challenge maker. You are the wisdom maker. Reema, thank you so much. Clap your hand for her. What I say, when you see things happen, it's because Reema Mahajan is there. IWD! IWD! We love Reema! Thank you.
Thank you